Hey, here's something I thought I'd pass along to you. Dr. Amit has a new product out, the LinkedIn Marketing Kit, the 2018 Success Kit. I took a look at it and did purchase it, and I believe it's a great addition to any marketer that wants to be able to add LinkedIn to his repertoire, or even if you want to bundle it with some of your existing materials and share it with your clients or use it for lead generation. So here's the product right now, and then if you take a look on the inside, here's what you do get. And so what you're going to wind up getting then, of course, is the front-end offer, some video training, building your list, PLR training, and branding tools. So extremely well worth it, and I would highly recommend picking this up, especially if you're looking at LinkedIn or want to upgrade even what you know in LinkedIn. Anyways, that's it, and hey, go check it out.